Hello guys, in this video we will see what is connection timed out in Battlefields and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding connection timed out. Connection timed out in Battlefields signifies that your game client attempted to establish a connection with the game server, but the server failed to respond within a predetermined time limit. This typically indicates a breakdown in communication somewhere along the network path between your device and the Battlefield server's. Common causes range from issues with your local internet connection and overloaded or unavailable game server network interference from firewalls or corrupted game files preventing a proper handshake. It's crucial to understand that the error doesn't always pinpoint a single root cause, necessitating a systematic troubleshooting approach. Step basic. Local network troubleshooting. Begin by addressing your immediate internet connection. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them from their power sources for at least 30 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for them to fully restart and re-establish an internet connection. Ensure your Ethernet cable is securely connected if using a wired connection, or if on Wi-Fi, verify your signal strength and consider temporarily moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection for testing. Test your internet speed and stability using an online tool, then confirm other applications or websites can access the internet without issue on the same device. Verify Battlefield server status content before troubleshooting further on your end. Check if the connection timed out error is a widespread issue affecting many players, suggesting a problem with the game servers themselves. Visit official social media accounts like Twitter, the official Battlefield forums, or dedicated server status websites. A down detector help website server status page. If servers are undergoing maintenance, experiencing an outage, or are heavily overloaded, you will need to wait for the developers to resolve the issue before you can connect. Advanced client-side network configuration content. If your local network is stable and game servers appear operational, investigate your device network settings in your Battlefield and its associated game launcher. Origin, Steam are explicitly allowed through your Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus firewall software. Temporarily disable any or proxy services, as these can interfere with game server connections. Flush your cache by opening command prompt as administrator and typing config flushes. Consider temporarily changing your server to a public one like Google DNS. And for testing purposes, verify your network adapter drivers are up to date.
The game file integrity and reinstallation. Content issues with game files can sometimes prevent a successful connection. Use your game launcher, Origin, or Steam to verify the integrity of Battlefield game files. This process scans for and repairs any corrupted or missing files. Clear the game launcher's cache or Battlefield specific game cache if options are available. If the issue persists, consider trying to connect to a different data center within Battlefield. To settings. If the game allows you to choose as a last resort, completely uninstall Battlefield and then perform a clean reinstallation. This ensures all game files are fresh and correctly configured.